how Warren Buffett achieves ruthless focus and how you can too. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, worth over $145 billion and still going strong. But here's something most people don't realize. His real secret isn't just about investing. It's about focus. Laser-sharp, relentless focus. And there's one story that shows it perfectly, involving him and his pilot. Buffett's pilot asked for career advice. For years, Buffett flew around in his private jet with the same personal pilot. Eventually, the two became good friends. One day, the pilot, feeling a bit stuck in life, asked Buffett for advice. He wanted to know, how can I be more successful in both work and life? Buffett gave him a simple exercise, one that changed the way he thought forever. Step 1, write down 25 goals. Buffett told him, write down 25 things you want to achieve, no filter, anything that matters to you. So the pilot took his time. Career dreams, personal ambitions, everything. Then Buffett said, now circle your top 5. This was much harder. All 25 felt important, but eventually the pilot circled the 5 that mattered most. 2 lists, 1 hard truth. Now the pilot had 2 lists. List A, his top 5 goals. List B, the remaining 20. He told Buffett, I'll focus on the top 5 and work on the others when I have time. But Buffett stopped him. No, you've got it all wrong. Those other 20 goals you didn't circle, those are your avoid at all costs list. The pilot was confused. Buffett explained, those other 20 goals, they're tempting, they feel important, but they're distractions. They're the reason most people have 20 half-finished projects instead of 5 completed ones. Why Buffett's focus strategy works. The point is simple. You don't fail because you chase the wrong things. You fail because you chase too many things. The goals on list B will drain your time, your energy, and your attention, all without getting you closer to what really matters. Buffett didn't become a billionaire by doing everything. He became a billionaire by doing fewer things better than anyone else. Try this yourself. So here's the challenge. Write down 25 things you want to achieve. Circle the 5 that matter most. Commit to them. Ignore the rest, ruthlessly. It won't be easy, but that's how you create real momentum. And don't just make the list. Take action, even one small step toward your top 5. Because the truth is, focus isn't something you wait for. It's something you build. Final thought. Most people aren't struggling because they lack ambition. They're struggling because they're spreading it too thin. Cut the noise, choose what matters, and go all in. If this helped bring some clarity to your goals, hit that like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. We've got plenty more stories like this coming your way. Until then, stay focused. Be better than yesterday.
If you're curious how ordinary people are turning bold ideas into real income and freedom, you'll find everything you need in the link in my bio. Because the future won't wait, and neither should you.